In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for task management, how to save your project in Miro. By the end, you'll know how to start with a ready-made board, tailor it to your workflow, and export or save it so you can share and reuse your work with confidence. First, open your browser and head to Miro.com. From the main workspace, look for the Templates area and click Explore Templates. This opens Miro's library of pre-built boards designed for different use cases. Using a template is the fastest way to get an organized task system without building from scratch. In the search bar, type Task Management. You'll see a range of options like Kanban boards, sprint planners, and simple to-do trackers. Preview a couple to see how they're structured. When you find one that matches your team's style, select it and click Use. Miro will create a fresh board from that template so you can make it your own without affecting the original. Now customize. Adjust column names to match your workflow. Common stages are backlog, in progress, and done, but use the wording your team recognizes. Add or remove swim lanes if you track by priority or owner. Create cards or sticky notes for your tasks and include clear titles, short descriptions, and due dates. You can color code by priority or type of work and tag tasks for quick filtering. Drag items between columns to reflect progress. If your board includes frames, use them to group related sections like roadmap, sprint, or archive. Keep the layout tidy with alignment guides and zoom controls so everything stays readable as your board grows. When your setup looks good, it's time to save or share. Click Export this board. If you need a snapshot to send or print, choose Save as PDF. Decide whether to export the entire board or just selected frames, then pick the quality settings. A multi-page PDF is great when your board spans several frames and you want each area on its own page. If you'll reuse this setup, save the board as a template. This preserves your structure, columns, frames, and sample cards, so future projects start consistent and fast. Give the template a clear name and a brief description so teammates know when to use it. Finally, you can save to Google Drive. Choose the Drive option, select your folder, and export. This keeps your project assets in the same shared space as your other documents and makes access simple for collaborators. That's it. You explored templates, built a task board that fits your workflow, and saved it as a PDF, a reusable template, or directly to Google Drive.